Last and certainly not least, our 8-point tie-down kits are top of the line when it comes to securement. A system comes with 4 straps and ratchets and features heavy-duty polyester webbing with a working load limit of 3,333 pounds. These tie-down systems come with different end fittings from flat hooks to snap hooks.
One of the key things that operators or new operators fail to do with your 8-point tie-downs is, as they're going around the back of the tire, they go real low. So the strap is pulling down here. And they negate the fact that there are brake lines and sensors behind some of those expensive foreign cars. So what tends to happen is the new guy straps it low, thinks he does nothing wrong, tightens it down, gets to the dealership, and they say, we have a sensor going off on the rear left tire. Reason being, he crushed the line or he broke the sensor on the back by the caliper. Very important, guys. Always run your straps and pay attention not to what you just can see in front of you, but also what you can't see. So you want to make sure that strap goes across the back. You can look through right above the rotor and you can see it. That prevents a lot of damage. It doesn't happen much, but that one time is one too many. I love my Mytee straps, I tell you. Always make sure your straps are flat and don't have any twist in them, because as we said earlier, it jeopardizes the structural integrity of the strap. You want to center your dog bone. Another key is, I see a lot of new guys do this. They open up the strap, they put it through the slot, they take it, and then they put it through the other side, right? There's nothing wrong with that. But you want to be precise, you want to be accurate and quick. The best way to do that is this. Open it up, close it. One time, you go through one time. Because there's another person waiting on you to tow their car also. One time and pull. Boom, just like that. And for those beds that don't have your slots in them, Mytee has created a nice little hook with a safety latch to go right in your ring. Nice, isn't it? Snap it right in, it fits perfect. Keep in mind your brake lines. Keep in mind your strap being flat against the tire. Pull your slack out, bump that dog bone up some. You can never check too many times. Everything's aligned, looks good. Everything's centered. Nice and smooth. Look the way it's pulling that load down. Look at that. Fabulous. And again, presentation is everything. I put a couple of folds in my strap. 2 times. Open the ratchet handle. Fits right through. Perfect. Because I'm a driver that don't like to see things in my rear view mirror flapping in the wind. It's another distraction. You don't need distractions while you're towing. Boom. Beautiful. New operators, do not drag the bed of the truck, or do not drag it. You want to just give it a small little tilt, small bump. Get the pressure off the tail end of the bed. And then you slide. See here, you didn't hear anything? It saves and preserves the life of your bed. Nice and smooth. You're not in a rush to do anything when you're towing. Bang. There you have it. So order your Mytee products today.
We would like to thank Jerome Brown from Wolfpack Towing for the demonstrations for this series, as well as Paul Dawson from Metro Wrecker Service in Cleveland for lending us his tow truck for the demonstrations. Subscribe to Mytee Products here on YouTube, And as always, you can get this tie-down kit, straps, and more at MyteeProducts.com.